Is India truly a sovereign nation? Before answering that, we need to understand what the word sovereign actually means. The word comes from a Latin word superanus, which means superior, someone who stands above other. One of the key thinkers of legal positivism, John Austin, defined sovereignty very bluntly, or in a humane way. According to him, a sovereign is a superior determinate human authority who does not habitually obey anyone else, while the bulk of society habitually obeys him. In simple terms, the sovereign commands and the other follows. Now take this idea of sovereign, apply it to international politics. In international law, we are told that every nation is sovereign, every state is equal, no state stands above another. Consider this recent news where India has to take permission of US to get oil from Russia as Iran US Israel war or conflict goes on. So a question emerges: if sovereign nation must seek permission or at least avoid displeasing another sovereign nation, does it truly remain sovereign? This tension is exactly why Austin dismissed international law as something weaker than real law. He called it positivist morality, a system of norm that state followed not because of a higher authority commands them but because of a political pressure, convenience or power, and this leads to an uncomfortable conclusion. In theory, every nation is sovereign, but in reality, some nations are more sovereign than another. And such a question becomes of high concern when a nation like India, which represents itself as the next superpower or the next pole of social global order, can such a nation call itself sovereign? Or the worst question,